when you make the decision, I want to holistically and organically grow my business. It's not about just throwing more leads at it. It takes infrastructure. It takes support to do that. And there's a lot of agents in our market and in our industry overall that get contracts, as Holden mentioned. They're thrown contracts. Hey, here's a lead source. Go figure it out. There are mentors, and I'll use Holden as an example, that will pour into you. And they will say, okay, you want to level up? You want to take the initiative to learn these other markets? Let's go. The training, the lead support, and just overall support in general to be somebody that when you're in a home, you have somebody to reach out to. Holden, you're one of the absolute best I've ever worked with at this. Share with agents out there what they can expect when you talk about that in-house support that you're providing every day.
Here's the thing about the industry that we're in. Generally speaking, except for annuities, but even so with annuities, they have to be sold on the first time, this is a one sit close opportunity. You're going to have one opportunity to really get that sale. I heard the saying one time in the past, I get called a lot of things, but I don't get called back. When you're in that house, that's your one opportunity to actually get that sale. It's not always your fault. Of course, there is stuff you need to do on your own in terms of initiative, but you may not have the resources, the training, the people to call while you're in that house. So to give you an example, we have an agent hotline, right? So if your upline's not available or you just don't know what you're doing in general and you need help, is we have a number that you can call. Of course, my agents, myself, they'll call me directly, but we have a number that you can call and you get directly in touch with someone that's an expert that's going to help you overcome objections and help you close the deal. I literally just got these in from these are just a stack of things that I send out to my clients. These are just postcards that I send out. I have ones that I like to hand write, so I ensure that they get opened, and then I have ones that are printed out and sent to the clients. So it's those little things go a long way. It makes you irreplaceable in the household, right? Have you ever sat down with a client and they said, "Oh no, I know my agent. Yeah, I like my agent. I'm not making any changes, right? I'll call my agent and I'll talk to them." And when that happens, that's me, right? I'm that agent because I have all of those products in that house, because I've developed and over time, gradually, right, made myself an expert in those different areas. Being irreplaceable is a big thing because I'm able to sell them final expense. I'm able to sell them Medicare. I'm able to sell them annuities and help protect their investment, their nest egg, and give them some guarantees that they're not going to lose any money, right? Because they can't be in the stock market. If the stock market's down 50%, they don't want to be a Walmart greeter, right? That's a big thing. Not that it's a knock to them, but they're in their 70, 75 years old. They don't want to take the risk all the time, right? And also the ancillary products we sell too are really great. We just did a call this past Friday on talking about ancillary products, cancer, heart attack, stroke, and hospital indemnity plans.